Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you edit or enhance any photo clicked at night. So how can you just do this setting from your iPhone? How can you edit the photo like that? If it's clicked in the night, then how can you create or how can you increase its brightness on the phone? So first step is to go on your photos here. This is my photos and I will just click on this photo. This is clicked on the night. So here's dark in this photo. What can I do to make it little bright or look good? So click on the edit option on the right top of the screen. Here you will see the lot of setting here. Just click on this and you just need to increase exposure of this photo. You can see the difference. This is normal exposure in the night and this is the full exposure in the night. The photo will be the bright. After that you have to go on the brilliance, increase it till 20, and then go on the brightness option, increase the brightness a little bit. So you can see the difference in the photos. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked.